video is being represented by table number 11. It is regarding the popliteal fossa. Popliteal fossa is a fossa which is diamond shaped and present posterior to the knee joint, and it is a homologue of cubital fossa in the upper limb. Coming to its boundaries, it is bound superomedially by semitendinosus semimembranosus, superolaterally by long head of biceps femoris or biceps femoris muscle, and inferomedially it is by the medial head of gastrocnemius muscle, and inferolaterally it is by plantaris and lateral head of gastrocnemius muscle. Coming to its roof is formed by skin, superficial fascia, deep fascia. The deep fascia of this place is called as popliteal fascia, and the structures in superficial fascia are short saphenous nerve, posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh, posterior branch of lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh, sural nerve and sural communicating nerve. And coming to its floor is divided into three parts, that is upper third, middle third and lower third. In the upper third it is formed by the popliteal surface of femur bone, and in the middle third it is by the posterior aspect of capsule of knee joint, and in the lower third it is by popliteus muscle and fascia of popliteus muscle. Coming to contents, its contents are popliteal artery, popliteal vein, and the two nerves, that is bifurcation of this sciatic nerve, tibial component of sciatic nerve and peroneal component of sciatic nerve. The tibial component lies straight from apex to the lower end of the diamond shaped fossa. In the upper third part, there is the relation between artery, vein and nerve, that is from medial to lateral side it is popliteal artery, popliteal vein and the tibial nerve. In the middle part there is relation like anterior to posterior or posterior to anterior. Anterior to posterior it is popliteal artery, popliteal vein and tibial part of sciatic nerve, and in the lower part from lateral to medial side it is popliteal artery, popliteal vein and tibial component of sciatic nerve. Thank you.